DesignRail Modern Aluminum Railing Kits for Feeney Cable Rail, custom quality railing and retail-ready kits. Modern kits feature base-mounted posts and hidden fasteners with all attachment hardware included. Available in 3 colors: black, coastal white, and textured black. DesignRail Modern posts come with a pre-attached base plate for easy mounting. Posts come pre-drilled for cable, top rail attachment brackets, and optional lighting. Post kits include post cap and attachment screws, lag screws for mounting, retaining washers, and vinyl caps. Intermediate stair posts include a specially designed stair post adapter instead of a post cap. The top rail rests on top of the adapter. 11 different post types are available, including end posts, intermediate posts, corner posts, level to stair transition posts, specialty posts, and blank posts for special conditions. Posts are available in 36 inches for level or stairs and 42 inches for level only. Modern rail kits are available in 6 or 8 foot lengths for level and stair railings. The rail kit includes a 250 top rail and a subrail that rests between the posts. The top rail snaps onto a subrail that is attached to the posts. Closure strips are included to snap into the underside of the top rail. The rail kit will include 1 or 2 intermediate pickets, depending on the kit length. The picket is pre-drilled for cables to pass through. The rail kit comes with a picket base plate and all attachment hardware. 2 rail connecting brackets are used to attach the subrail to the posts. Stair brackets are angled to accommodate the stair slope. Optional finishing touches include end caps for cable rail, colored or stainless steel in 3 styles. Baseplate covers to hide post-mounting hardware. An optional drink rail adapter is available. Each package contains 2 47-inch pieces. The adapter is attached to the top rail with included screws, so you can add your own wood or composite drink rail. Easy installation with hidden fasteners. The top rail snaps onto the subrail. Then the adapter is attached to the top rail. Wood or composite drink rail is not included. LED lighting is now available for DesignRail Modern in 25-foot and 55-foot lengths. For more information on DesignRail Modern Kits, contact your local Feeney sales representative.